Today I'm going to talk how to protect your adenium in the season of monsoon, and make sure you note down all the tricks and conditions where you need to be vigilant on it and decide on what to do on your adenium. The first thing you need to see is the cortex. Cortex must be hard. It should not be softer. Check each part of the cortex so that you understand in which part there is a rot. This is an example of hard cortex, and this is an example of soft cortex where you can see the softness of the cortex. In monsoon, adenium will receive lot of water and humidity, so it will continue to develop lot of leaves. Make sure you keep these leaves so that it can make lot of food during this time, and it stores water in the cortex. Some gardeners prefer to cut the leaves in order to make the adenium more stemmy, and in monsoon cutting the leaves would probably damage the plant. Look for the areas of damage where you can add some antifungal to these areas and prevent from the rot. Check for the grafted areas. There should not be any waterlogging in these areas. If there is a water, then it would damage the plant and it will damage the graft. In order to prevent the rotting, you can add SAF or antifungal or a contact antifungal to prevent the fungal attack. So if you see the soil, I had used some gravel or coal. It will help to easily clear up the water, and it will prevent the waterlogging. You can also add some plant which will dry up the soil in main course, and it will prevent the excess water in the plant. Make sure you have such easily water drainable materials like gravels and sand in your pot, so the adenium does not retain much of the water. Do not water your adenium daily. Check whether your soil is dry or it's wet. This kind of soil is dry and you can water in 1 or 2 days later. So this adenium cortex is been soft, and it is a warning sign that you need to act on this. Keep it in a dry place or add some water depending on the condition of your plant. For this plant, the soil is very much dry and I need to water this plant. Keep the adeniums under a shade like this solar panel, or if you have any dedicated shade area, you can keep your adeniums in the shade. It will prevent the excess rain. Also note that it should be in an open circulating area where the wind would dry up the soil and take away the excess water which is in as a form of humidity. The adenium saplings may require a lot of water, and it is usually okay to keep them in the open drain, so it stores a lot of water. But don't always keep it in the rain, but also keep in such area where it receives some particular amount of rain. And it should. These are my adenium saplings which I had kept in open to get maximum advantage of the rainwater. And you can see the cortex is hard, and it shows they are more healthier in open. Do not remove the saplings from the tray or small plants in the monsoon, because it will damage the root and it will lead to the root rot or damage the plant.